toe. Yeah, there you go.
That other one swung around and then bail on out.
Oh.
Oh.
Touchdown!